Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Too Much Tech, and in today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the PowerBeats Pro, the new wireless headset from Apple that also uses the same H1 chip as the AirPods 2. And since these are just another option of wireless headsets in the market that we're in right now, where everybody's dishing the headphone jack, is it worth it to spend $250 on a wireless headset like this? Before we start the video, I just want to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the bell so that you don't miss out on our future content. I know that a lot of you guys that watch are subscribed and a lot of you guys that watch are not subscribed. So be sure that you don't miss any of the future content that we're going to be posting within the next month or so. We got a lot of epic videos on a lot of different products that I'm sure you guys are going to want to check out. And make sure to like the video and leave a comment while you're at it. So the PowerBeats Pro that we have today are going to be the matte black versions. They have a few other colors available as well. I'll throw them up on the screen so that if you want to see what else they have, there you go. The matte black ones are the ones that we're going to be taking a look at today. And let's see what we think. Let's go ahead and unbox these babies. Alright guys, so here is the box. Let's go ahead and get this super shiny and reflective plastic off of the box and let's see what's inside. So you got the 9 hours of wireless playtime and 24 hours with the charging case, sweat and water resistant, adjustable secure fit ear hooks, on-ear controls for music and calls. I wonder if these do the Hey Siri just like the AirPods. Let's go ahead and pull them out of the box. That there for a second. Okay. Nice presentation, super Apple-y. Let's go ahead and see what else is in here. So we got a black lightning cable. It looks pretty good. I think it looks cool. Wish it was USB-C, but whatever. There's some stickers. Manual. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull them out of the case. Do they already have earbuds applied? They do. So they give you one already on there and 3 extra ones. Ooh, it's magnetic too. It's pretty nice. You do have to kind of place them in there though, just to make sure that they contact so they can charge. You got a little LED light indicator right here to let you know that they're charging. Case feels very solid. I wouldn't drop it because honestly the hinge feels slightly flimsy. Just a little bit though. But I'm pretty sure, yeah. And it's magnetic, so the seal is decent. Yeah, you won't have to worry about it accidentally falling out or anything. But obviously because the headphones are kind of big, the case is pretty big, so I wouldn't see somebody putting this in their pocket. Maybe in like a backpack or something. But definitely not going to be putting these in your pocket with your iPhone like you will with AirPods. Alright, so let's go ahead and pair them with our iPhone. That's a cool little animation. Yeah, let's go ahead and throw some music on. So guys, I've been using the PowerBeats Pro wireless for the past day or so, and one thing I can confirm for sure, the battery life is really good. It's basically really similar to AirPods, except you get quite a bit more playtime without having to put them back inside of the case, so that is a positive there. The battery life is good, so you don't have to worry about that at all. One thing I will say though, I do wish that the case had wireless charging, because it doesn't, so that's really disappointing. So you do have to plug it in with lightning every time you want to charge these headphones. Next, I do want to talk about the sound quality real quick as well. So basically they sound just like AirPods, just more isolated because it's an in-ear bud. Basically you get the exact same audio quality. For me, the quality is indistinguishable between the AirPods and the PowerBeats Pro. It's a little disappointing since they cost about $90 more than the least expensive newest version of AirPods that you can get. Yeah, I was really expecting just a little bit more. Like I said, they isolate noise better just because the design is slightly different. You have the gel inside your ear canal instead of just the headphone just sitting inside of your ear and still letting in a lot of outside noise. Slightly disappointed with that. But other than that, I'm not saying that the audio quality is bad. I was just hoping for it to be better than AirPods. But at the end of the day, it is Apple, so what do we expect? And then the other thing I want to talk about too is just the build quality of the earbuds and the case overall. So the earbuds build quality is really good. You don't have to really worry about them falling out of your ears at all. I think they did a good job with the design. They basically just took the PowerBeats and modified it a little bit, made it a little bit more modern, and deleted the wire. So that's cool. And then the build quality of the case, probably what I have the biggest issue with. So the case, it feels solid, it's decent, it closes solidly too, probably just because it's soft touch plastic and it's got the magnets. But what worries me is the hinge. I really do hope that the hinge will last a long time because it does feel very flimsy. So I highly do not recommend sitting on it or dropping it or anything like that. Make sure you put it like in your backpack or your purse or whatever, because these are so big you will not be putting these in your pocket, trust me, unless you just got some huge pockets, I guess, but it wouldn't be ideal. And then of course you've got your media playback as well. You have buttons on both earbuds and they both do the same thing. So single press obviously play pause, double tap fast forward, triple tap rewind, and hold for Siri. So all of those work pretty good. I did enjoy using them. They're comfortable, they're lightweight, there's no wires, so there's that. And yeah, these are like the perfect headphones for the gym. If you like AirPods, but AirPods don't stay in your ears in the gym, then these may be worth picking up. Yes, I do think that they're worth $250 because I cannot think of another better active wireless headset than these are. Now, I am disappointed that for $250, you don't get wireless charging in the case, considering that that was one of the biggest things that Apple was pushing with their now canceled AirPower, and since they just introduced that feature into the AirPods, so that is really disappointing. Knowing them, they'll probably come out with a wireless charging case is going to be $50 more, so expect that sometime soon. And I just wish the audio quality was a little bit better. It was very familiar, I'll say that. It was very familiar to the AirPods. So a couple bad things that I can say concerning these headphones for the price range. But other than that, like I said, they are the best wireless active headset you can buy right now, in my opinion. All right, well, that is going to be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. Also, if you're interested in picking up this item, be sure to check out our Amazon links down below. It does help out the channel, and we do appreciate every time you purchase something with our links. So if you're gonna buy it anyways, just buy through our link. It helps us out. Be sure to follow my social media, like my Twitter and my Instagram, to see what we're always working on and reviewing and what we're up to next. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Be sure to hit that bell so you don't miss out on any videos that we're gonna post very shortly here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.